Hi guys! Want your landing page to use your own domain instead of a Systeme.io URL? In this video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to your Systeme.io landing page step by step. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account. Click on your profile picture, then go to Settings and select Custom Domains. Click Add a Custom Domain. Step 2. Enter the domain or subdomain you want to use, such as offers.yourdomain.com or go.yourdomain.com. Click Save. Systeme.io will display the DNS records that need to be added to your domain registrar. Step 3. Open your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Go to your domain's DNS management page. Add the DNS record exactly as shown in Systeme.io. Save your changes. Step 4. Return to Systeme.io and wait for the domain verification to complete. DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on your registrar. Once verified, your custom domain will appear as connected. Step 5. Now open your funnel. Go to the settings for your funnel or landing page and select your newly connected custom domain. Save your changes and publish the page. Visit your new URL to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. Your Systeme.io landing page is now connected to your custom domain. If you'd like to build professional funnels and websites with Systeme.io, check out my affiliate link in the description below.